As a personal injury attorney, I get asked a lot of questions. One of those questions is, what do I do if I'm injured in a car accident? What should be the first step I take to help with these injuries? I always tell my clients the first thing you should do is seek professional help. And when I say professional help, that means go to the doctor. You know, a lot of people want to be tough, they want to go home, ice it, take it easy for a few weeks. Truly, it is super important to go to a professional for a lot of reasons. One, they're going to document the injuries. They're going to make these notes, write down you came in on this date for these injuries. Those are the documentations we have to submit to the car insurance to help pay for these medical bills. Secondly, I recommend do not wait. If you wait for a substantial amount of time, the insurance company won't pay for your bills. They find excuses saying, if you really were hurt, you would have went to the hospital the day after the accident versus waiting 3 weeks. So if you're hurt, do not wait. Get and see medical treatment as soon as possible. It's also very, very important to find the right doctors. You know, most any doctor can see you for a headache. Most any doctor could see you for different injuries in your neck and prescribe some medicine. But there's a big difference between a doctor who will see you and give you some Tylenol versus a doctor who will make these notes that the car insurance actually accept as reasonable and necessary. So it's very important to find the right doctors. You know, I recommend to find these doctors, you know, ask around, ask your friends, ask anybody else who's been in a car accident what their experience was with that doctor. Another really good thing is to call a car accident attorney, you know, a personal injury attorney. All day that's who we deal with. We're no doctors, but we're dealing with these doctors who deal with these car accidents. So I know if this doctor does things the insurance likes, maybe this doctor doesn't. And I'm not going to tell you have to see this doctor, but I will definitely could recommend, you know, here's a list of different doctors who are very good with these car accidents. You need to be consistent with your treatment as well. You know, if your doctor recommends come to the doctor 3 times a week for 2 weeks, make sure you come to those appointments. If you don't, the insurance will see those notes, see that you're skipping appointments, and then they can justify that you must not be hurt bad enough to even go to the doctors when you're supposed to. So make sure you're consistent with that. Lastly, do not settle your case if you're still hurting. Do not settle too early. I find this to be one of the biggest problems I deal with. If you're still hurting, once you sign that paper and settle the case is over. The insurance does not have to pay for any more medical bills. So just be very, very, very careful to not sign any documents until you are confident and positive that you're recovered from this accident. Truthfully, if you have any questions at all, if you're hurting and it's not getting better, or if you don't know which doctors to use, I strongly recommend to contact a personal injury attorney. That's what we do all day. We help people like you who've been in an accident get into the right doctors, make sure you get better. That's what we do. Call us, we want to help.